Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will explore the names of birds in English, focusing on pronunciation and spelling. Join us as we embark on an educational adventure, filled with fun and learning. Subscribe for more engaging content. Let's dive into the world of birds together. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Our first bird is the eagle. Can you say eagle? Eagle. Great job. Let's say together. Eagle, 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 eagle. Now let's spell eagle. E, A, G, L, E. Can you spell eagle with me? E, A, G, L, E. That's good. Next, look at this bird. It's an owl. Can you say owl? Owl. Great job. Let's say together. Owl, 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 owl. Now let's spell owl. O, W, L. Can you spell owl with me? O, W, L. That's good. Next, look at this bird. It's a pigeon. Can you say pigeon? Pigeon. Great job. Let's say together. Pigeon, 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 pigeon. Now let's spell pigeon. P, I, G, E, O, N. Can you spell pigeon with me? P, I, G, E, O, N. That's good. Next, look at this bird. It's a sparrow. Can you say sparrow? Sparrow. Great job. Let's say together. Sparrow, 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 sparrow. Now let's spell sparrow. S, P, A, R, R, O, W. Can you spell sparrow with me? S, P, A, R, R, O, W. That's good. Next, look at this bird. It's a bat. Can you say bat? Bat. Great job. Let's say together. Bat, 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 bat. Now let's spell bat. B, A, T. Can you spell bat with me? B, A, T. That's good. Next, look at this bird. It's a canary. Can you say canary? Canary. Great job. Let's say together. Canary, 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 canary. Now let's spell canary. C, A, N, A, R, Y. Can you spell canary with me? C, A, N, A, R, Y. That's good. Next, look at this bird. It's a crow. Can you say crow? Crow. Great job. Let's say together. Crow, 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 crow. Now let's spell crow. C, R, O, W. Can you spell crow with me? C, R, O, W. That's good. Next, look at this bird. It's a swan. Can you say swan? Swan. Great job. Let's say together. Swan, 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 swan. Now let's spell swan. S, W, A, N. Can you spell swan with me? S, W, A, N. That's good. Congratulations. Fantastic birds explorers. You've learned the names and spelling of some amazing birds in English. Keep exploring and discovering new ones along the way. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive all new updates. See you next time on another exciting adventure. Goodbye.